Congratulations on the new addition to your company. But of course, as your company grows, so do the demands on your HR team. Have you ever wished you could tackle all of your HR needs with one easy step? Well, Ashton Benefits can help. Our online platform integrates the data from your payroll, health insurance, and HR systems, so users can handle almost any related task from a single user-friendly dashboard, accessible from anywhere. Employees can complete onboarding forms, enroll in benefits or rewards programs, and more. The platform seamlessly integrates employee-generated data into existing payroll systems. And it's easy for your HR team to track information and manage operations, all while the platform ensures compliance. Ashton Benefits is HR made easy. Visit us online to learn more and schedule a demo today.